Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, but it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move, not only from a price action perspective today, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 70 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 70 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, then that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support is more so, geared towards big picture of things. So that would assume, of course, that you care more about a bigger picture time horizon. But that has to do with the purple line right there, which is the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just care about big picture. I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being the move. So how do you gauge the health of that? Again, circling back to that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price is in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if it can stay above 70 cents, that would be great. But if it doesn't, from the big scope of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on that. And my rationale here is that, in my opinion at least, top priority right now is not even close to breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. Because as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, the overall chart will take care of itself as it constructs a long-term uptrend. And because I'm talking about more so things from a bigger picture perspective, yeah, just sit back, and as long as the price builds higher bases, aka stays above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, and everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.